This is the reality of Cross Bronx. It's either you let him merge or y'all crash. Literally. I let him slide though. Too much freaking traffic too. Alright, we moving a little bit. Look at this dude trying to freaking merge. So when it's busy like this, you just gotta go for the angles. I'm not going. You gotta go for the angles. Make sure you're checking that blind spot. That's all it is. Once you know how to manage them angles, you're good. So now I'm gonna put on my left signal. I'm gonna start looking once I get out of this little space right here. Once I get out of this space, check my mirror, blind spot, and then just go for the angle. Once it's clear, it's not gonna be clear, but once you got like a good angle where you know you're not gonna hit no one, then you can merge. See how tight that was? Yeah, but you see you merge easy. If you live in New York, you know you gotta deal with this all the time. But it's easy and simple though. You just gotta go for the angles, make sure you're looking though. And before you like switch lanes and stuff, just make sure it's like a good amount of space where the person can actually stop.